Now I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a photo grid collage in Photoshop. Go to your Photoshop and click on File, hover over on Automate and click on Contact Sheet. Here click on Files and click on Browse. Now from your computer, select those photos you want to use to make a photo collage grid and open them here. Once you added all of your photos, you need to select pixels, and I'm giving width 3000 pixel, height 3000 pixel, and resolution give 300 pixels. Color profile, select this profile, and place, select across first. And I'm giving columns 5 and rows 5. Uncheck this font option and uncheck this flatten all layers option. Also uncheck this use auto spacing, and here I'm giving 20 pixel vertical and 20 pixel horizontal spacing, and then clicking on OK. And all of my images will load here one by one. It may take some moments. Once your image is successfully inserted, now come to this layer list, and here we have to unlink all of these layers one by one. And now it's time to adjust all of these images for each grid. So select the selection tool and check this option auto select, and here select layer. Now select any of the image, and here we can see the free transform. Now go ahead and adjust your all images one by one. Hit enter to OK. So that's how adjust all of your images. Once you are done, that's it. You have successfully created your photo grid collage.